Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennita, and for today's video I have this look. It's a simple look but with glam. A makeup look, super easy and fast makeup, so if you want to recreate this makeup tutorial, please keep on watching. Let's go to start with this primer. This is the Elsa Beauty primer, which I love because it's really hydrating and I love it for my skin. And also I'm gonna add another Elsa primer, which is the Elsa minerals infused, something like that. I will link all that in my description box. And I'm going to suggest these foundations, which are so really good for these natural looks. So these are the L'Oreal Flower Beauties, and this is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and the Fresh Wear. I will mix these two, the Pro Glow with the Flower Beauty, because these two foundations, there are one which is too light and the other one is too dark, so I really enjoy mixing both. For concealer, I will mix these two, the Catrice and the L'Oreal, because I told you in my previous video that I love the Catrice because there is any crease with this concealer, and the L'Oreal one, I love the cover that it does, so I did use the Catrice first and then I mixed with some dabs with the L'Oreal to illuminating my face. I will set with this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I will use this mini sponge that is already wet, and I will set all that on my face. For bronze my face, I will be using this palette by Wet n Wild. All the products will be on my description box. And for my eyebrows, I will be using this L'Oreal pencil. And you have to brush your eyebrows. You know, I usually use the pomades and gels, but for today's video, I'm only gonna use this. And you can start even the beginning of the brow, but with slightly strokes. Try to outline the brow bone area, flow in your eyebrows, and fill it up. soon as you get this, you can clean the brow bone area with any concealer that you have. I'm using the L'Oreal concealer. Then I'm gonna use this Maybelline Brow Drama, something like that, Brow Drama. You can find all these products on my description box, you know that. As my eye primer, I'm going to use this L'Oreal concealer, and I'm blending with the same sponge that I blend my foundation, and then I'm gonna use the mini sponge to set that too. The next tips I learned from Jacqueline Hill's tutorial, which is you can use any brush like this one and setting powder. This is the RCNA that I hated, but it's good for this, instead of the tape. And in this way you don't have any eyeshadows down there. I'm gonna use the Elsa palette and the Olivia palette by Beauty Creations. I'm gonna start with this palette, Olivia, and I'm gonna take only one shade, which is this one. It's like a light yellow shade, really pretty, and it's gonna be my first transition shade. Then I'm gonna take the Elsa palette and I'm gonna pick this brown shade, light brown, and I'm gonna place this in the corner of my eyes. Then I'm gonna pick this brown shade, which is darker than the other one, and I try to just place the color and then I try to blend it out. Remove any excess if you need to and blend it out. You can place the color even a tiny up to the crease if you want it. Then you are gonna pick this dark brown shade and it's gonna be like a smoke eyeliner. I try to darken this area, but you don't have to be precise. Then I'm gonna pick this beige eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply this on my lid. After that, I'm gonna use the same shade to clean my brow bone area too. And I'm gonna pick these 3 shades and I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line. The last shade that I'm gonna take is this dark brown shade to intensify the color here, to darken more this area. And finally, I'm gonna use these 2 vibrant shades on my inner corner too. Take it off the powder, curl your lashes. Then I'm gonna take this A-Laker pencil to underline and borderline my eyes. You can lift the eyes like this, or you can use this eyeliner to darken even more. Then I'm gonna use this mascara by Maybelline. At this point, you can leave the look like this, or you can add more lashes. I'm gonna finish my face with this blush. This is my all-time favorite blush by Milani, Luminoso number 5. And I'm gonna use this highlighter by Covergirl, and I'm gonna pick the 3 shades. I'm gonna add lipstick by Wet n Wild. I believe this is the nudish peach. Finally, I'm gonna set this with this Milani setting spray. And as you can see, this is the final result with this palette by Beauty Creation, Elsa. This makeup tutorial, it was a request that somebody asked me for a fast and easy tutorial. So if you want any request, any look that you want that I created for you, you can request down below, comment and let me know. I'll see you on my next video. I hope you like it. Bye. God bless you.